Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's get into this amazing one pot callaloo cookup rice Guyanese style. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have my meats already well seasoned and I'll show you the process in just a minute. I will be using this smoked turkey leg as well as some herbs, which are thyme, parsley, basil, scallion, and some cilantro. I have my callaloo here. I will be using thick leaf callaloo, or some know it as poi bhaji. And I just left a bunch aside to show you guys what it looks like for those who may not have a clue. Yeah, I found this in the Asian store, but if you have a Caribbean store nearby, you might find it there as well. Here I have some onions, garlic, ginger, some scotch bonnet pepper, chilies, bell peppers. I'll be using some parboiled rice for the seasoning, some cookup seasoning, black pepper, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, some brown sugar. So today I'll be using some salted pigtail and some chuck roast beef along with my smoked turkey leg. So what I did was soak the salted pigtail overnight to remove some of the salt. And now we will be seasoning with some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some complete seasoning. You want to just add the seasonings to the meat, and then I will come in with 2 heaping tablespoons of fresh green seasoning. Mix everything to combine, and then oh, and I forgot that I was going to use some cassareep. So here I will use the cassareep for color, but you can use browning, Chinese sauce, any other brown sauce of your choice. Once I added that, I just, like I said, mix everything well to combine and set aside to marinate for about 2 hours or so. So now to my pressure cooker, I will add all of my meat. I did remove the meat from the turkey leg. So this is just the meat. We will cover this and allow it to pressure for about 15 minutes. We don't want it too soft or we don't want it too tough. Now to a preheated pot, I've added some oil and we will add our aromatics and the herbs. Give it a good stir, allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes or so, just to release all those flavors and the aroma. Next, you want to add your callaloo and just sit the lid on and allow it to wilt a bit before we get in there and give it a stir. So after the callaloo wilts, this is where you want to go in and just give it a stir. Make sure everything is nicely combined. And then we will add our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. This is a day where I was just craving some nice callaloo cookup rice where I didn't have to search for the meat, you know. I just wanted it packed with more meat than rice. So that's what you'll notice, that the rice is, you know, like it's low carb. We don't want a lot of rice. We just want a little bit in there, and most of it must be meat. So I just satisfied my craving. And yeah, we will now add the meats in here. Once the meats are added, we will go in with our liquids. I like to add coconut milk, and then I go in with some of the broth from the actual meats. I don't like adding water to my cookup rice, but that's an option as well. If you want to just add water, you can add water here. And yeah, we just add that in, and then we will add our seasonings to add flavor and taste. We will add the brown sugar. Then we will add our hot scotch bonnet peppers, cover and allow this to simmer until the rice is nice and tender and everything is pretty much married to perfection. But every few, minutes or so, you want to get in and just give it a stir just to make sure nothing is sticking or burning at the bottom. And like I mentioned before, you just want to get in there occasionally and give it a stir to make sure everything is being cooked evenly and nothing is being burnt at the bottom. Once your rice is nice and tender to your liking, you want to just, give it a last stir, and that's basically it. It is done, guys. I was craving this, and let me tell you, my mouth is literally watering. I can't wait to dig in. Now let me play this up and show you guys the finished product. So I just plated it up with a fresh garden salad and some potato salad. That's it. I just wanted to enjoy my cookup. So here you have it, the most amazing callaloo cookup rice with a lot of meat. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy